QualityLine real-time technology collects and analyzes machine and test data throughout your manufacturing process to significantly increase your yield and improve quality. We collect data from your production machines and testing stations in real time and automatically analyze it using our advanced machine learning and prediction algorithms. From the analytics dashboard we build for you, you can get an instant overview of the current state of your line, spot actual or projected issues at a glance, and drill down to the detail you need to tightly control your manufacturing processes. It doesn't matter if you're on site or on another continent. You will be able to conduct root cause analysis to quickly identify and resolve any problems within your manufacturing process, set automatic alerts for any abnormal issues, get predictive analytics, and even improve the design for manufacturability of your products.
The integration process has been seamless, and this is the beauty of QualityLine. And in fact, this is the truth. I really like the fact that whatever data we had that we have been capturing for the past 10-12 years, all in a SQL database that has been moved on to the QualityLine platform seamlessly. In less than 10 days, we were able to look into our data, and on a dashboard, on a web-based. I truly, applaud the capability of converting whatever platform you have into the platform of QualityLine, and that is a great asset in my opinion, and it is just easy for everybody to use it.